Hello. And welcome. I just need to find a way out. I'm just gonna kill myself. Suicide.
Tony Tick 733,126 died. Killed Tony Tick 733126.
Go. We are back at our house that I made without you guys. Yeah. I have a little path leading to the mine. Actually, I hate the daytime. Care what y'all say? I don't have
Set the time to 162,000.
This makes it look a lot more better when you have a torch in your hand. Like screw the day. Who even needs it? Bro, who doesn't need the day? Looks pretty without it. Go all the way to the cave and we will find out some cool stuff. Okay, be careful doing this because you can fall down there and just kill yourself. So yeah. Ooh, actually, I'm just gonna leave myself right here and then I'll come back to it later. I do have a different one. I have this one activated, so I might need to activate the texture pack for it. Which I definitely will. Don't worry, chat. I will. I think I need a texture pack. I'm gonna... Oh no, this is not the right one. This is not the right one. Is it hello? I think it's hello. Chat, I think it's hello. I don't know. It's gotta be hello. Yeah, it's hello. It's hello. Yeah, yep. I'm gonna show you something like really cool that I made. Could've just skipped I do got that, yeah. Do not use it on here. Whatever you guys do not use this. Yeah, because it'll break my whole fucking base. But yes, I did make my own little base. It's really cute. Okay, I need to get up to my bedroom so I can show you guys this. It's like very pretty, so this is like my bedroom because I'm the purple character and we have all our little bedrooms. Over here is just red, obviously. I'm purple. This is orange. This is green. Go back to purple, and I'm gonna show you guys like the bottom somehow. So. I thought I also had like a fish tank. I do have a fish tank somewhere. I know it. Okay, alright, yeah, I already see the entrance for it. Okay. Here is the fish tank. Isn't it really pretty? I know, I love it. You can go out here and you really want to take a swim. Okay, what's that? Oh, it's night vision. Okay. I need some water breathing. I'm gonna drink my last potion of water breathing. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go out there. I can have my night vision. Cool, okay. Now I can go over there. Okay. Auden's dad said no. Mom!
There's nothing we can do.